Alright, so now I'm going to talk about quadratics in the vertex form. Here we have our formula. So that formula is y equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. The things that we can pull from this formula is the axis of symmetry. So that would be x is equal to this h value. So whatever number is there, it's negative h here. We're going to use the opposite sign, so positive h. And then we have the vertex, which is at h comma k. Again, notice it's negative h in here, and it becomes positive here. Alright, so the vertex is our highest or lowest point. Axis of symmetry goes right through the middle of that parabola to cut it symmetrically in half. So here's the problem that we're going to work with. Y equals negative x minus 4 squared minus 2. So I'm going to pull the information that I know from it. So that's going to be the axis of symmetry. So I'm just going to write AOS. And the axis of symmetry is going to be x equals, it's positive 4 here, so x equals negative 4. Then my vertex, so I'm going to write vertex is going to be h, and again the opposite, so negative 4, same as our axis of symmetry, comma, and then minus 2, so negative 2. So it's on the outside, this k is on the outside, and it keeps the same sign. So here I have minus 2. So I have the vertex. From here, it's very similar to what we did with standard form. I'm going to set up my x and y chart. I'm going to put my axis of symmetry in the middle, or not axis of symmetry, my vertex, right in the middle there. I'm going to count forward 2, so negative 3, negative 2, and back 2, negative 5, negative 6. And now whatever y value I get for these top two is going to be repeated down here. So negative 3, this y value is going to be the same here, and the y value for this one's going to be the same here. Okay, because these are going to be our symmetrical points. So now I'm going to plug in negative 3 into our formula, or our equation here. So negative 3 plus 4 squared minus 2 is equal to negative 3 plus 4 is 1 squared. It's just going to give you a positive 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2 gives us negative 3. Now we're going to plug in negative 2 into the equation, so it's negative 2 plus 4 squared minus 2 equals, and then I have negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2, and 2 squared gives us 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2 gives us negative 6. So I'm looking at my symmetrical point here, negative 3, so it's going to be negative 5, negative 3. Here it's negative 2, negative 6. So here it's going to be negative 6, negative 6. And now I have my 4 symmetrical points in vertex, which is what I need to graph. Also, we also want to notice that our a value is equal to negative 1, so it's going to open downwards. And then you can check your points in Desmos to double check that they're right.